Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve this 988 smallest string starting from a leaf. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel. So you are given a root of binary tree where each node has a value 0, 25, represent the letter A to Z. Okay, so map is very easy, right? Let me just create A, B, C, D up to Z. So basically A, right? So basically, let's say A, right? A just M0, right? So you can just map 0, 25 to 8. Okay, and return a lexicography create smallest string. Let's start from a leaf, then tree ends up at the roots. Right. So for example, lexicography is smaller, right? So basically, I think the Python have the inherit lexicography smaller. So you can let's see an example, right? So for example, DBA, right? DBA is the smallest one. There are other four like EBA, DCA, and ECA. And the smallest lexicography order is DBA, right? Because D is the smaller compared to E. And then for next one, B is smaller than C, right? So DBA is. And then for this one, the smallest one must start from A, right? Because it's reverse, right? Start from A, and then there's no way, right? You can only go D and Z. And for this one, you can start from A and A, right? But the less the if the length is smaller, then the lexicography order is smaller. So yeah, okay. So one way is to one simple way is just go from the roots and collect all the paths to leaf. Okay, so this is a simple question that you can use the easy question code that you can just migrate. Okay, so for this 257 called binary tree path, you want you to return all the paths from roots to leaf, and you need to use this. Okay, so this one is 1 to 5 and 1 to 3. Okay, so you can just migrate this code, right? So if you haven't seen my video about this, I will post the link below. So basically, you just let me just quickly say how to migrate this code. So basically, the key idea is that you try to go create all the paths from root to leaf, and for each values we just add it. So in this case, since you need string, right? So we just add str, and so if a node with no left and no right, that means you already reached the leaf, right? So you can append your answer. Otherwise, if there is still no left, then you just go no left. If there is no right, you go no right. And then you just add this for this question. Okay, so you can just copy all this into this way, into this part. Okay. Okay. The only difference is that now you need to change the node, right? You need to change the node to a ladder, right? So you just take this m node value, and in your array you don't need this. You don't need this arrow, right? So you just remove the arrow. Okay, so basically once you do this, and then you run this pass root answer, then you will get all the answer, right? So for example, let's do a simple example. Let's see. Yeah, I just run everything. Let's just use the first one and print the answer. Print this answer. So the answer will contains all the paths. So for example, the answer will be ABD, ABE, ACD, and ACE. Okay, and all you need to do is just return the smallest lexicography order, and right. So all you need to do is simply the idea is that you go through each string, and then you reverse, and then you take the minimum. Okay. So this is the answer. So basically, this problem is basically 988 just exactly copy from 257. You just need to do the final post processing. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it. So it's very simple. Once you know how to solve these 257. Okay, so see you guys next video.